Okay, who here has a rigid? Loves a rigid? Works with a rigid all the time? Well, we do in this household, as well as my husband's company. And this is our go-to battery. It is nice, solid size. It keeps a charge longer than the 2 amps, which is great for when you're working on large projects. It has your check-a-meter. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I call it. Right here, you press the button. It tells you what level your battery is at, which I love this part because I do not like starting projects with a battery that isn't ready for me. But when it is, this comes with a battery charger. You just see it's plugged in, you're ready to go. You just slide it right into the port. Listen, that means it's charging. It'll tell you on the side that it's plugged in and charging, and then it'll keep track of your limit right here on the back. So if you are in need of a battery that super easy pinch and grab battery for your rigid equipment, like this flashlight, then this is the one I would choose.